Hi there, and welcome back to 5th grade math. I'm Mr. Manella, and once again, I am joined by my assistant, Stu. Say hi to everyone, Stu.
Welcome, everyone, and welcome, flamingos. Did you know I'm related to flamingos?
Are you? I can see that actually in the nasal area.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't inherit their legs.
Well, you know, that's genetics can be tricky. You don't always get the same thing as your parents. Are you all flamingo? Because that doesn't make a lot of sense to me.
No, part raccoon.
A flaccoon. I see. Okay, that explains a lot. Like why you keep going. Yeah, or ramingo. Yes, that's a bit more flavor than flaccoon, I think.
Flavor. I just finished a family-size bag of Takis, so now I'm nice and spicy and ready to rock and roll. I also just had a huge iced coffee.
Really?
Yeah,
I
so refreshing.
I couldn't tell.
Huh?
Nothing abnormal going on. Okay, last time we learned about what happens when you move from a lower place to a higher place in a number and you increase the value. Do you remember how that works?
Yes. When you go one place to the left, you multiply by 10.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Exactly. Do you remember what happens if you go more than one place?
I think so, but I could probably use a refresher.
Okay. That's totally fine because today we're going to be covering moving to the right, and the pattern that you'd use when you move more than one place is exactly the same.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Manella?
Yeah.
So if we multiplied when we move to the left, does that mean we're going to divide when we move to the right?
It sure does. Right is the reverse of left, and division is the reverse of multiplication. So yes, moving to the right means divide. When we multiply, we increase or get bigger. What happens when we divide?
We decrease, which means to get smaller.
Right again. Let's take a closer look. So here's our number from last time. When we move one place to the right, we are dividing by 10. The number to the right is 10 times smaller than the number to the left. Okay, so let's take a look at our whiteboard to remember the trick from last time. Remember, each loop represents 10. So 2 loops, 2 tens. How much does that mean we divided by?
I remember now because it's 100. Each loop is a 0 in the change in value.
Exactly. 2 loops, 10 times 10, 100. Or what do you like to call it?
Benjamin!
That's right, okay? Your change in value is always going to be a power of 10. Yeah. The number of loops, okay, or places moved lets you know how many zeros are going to be in your value change, okay? It's just like multiplying, except that when you move to the right, you're dividing and your value is getting smaller. If we move 4 places here on the whiteboard, let me show you. So instead of 2 places, right, I go 4, 2 more. Now it's 4 places. What is my value change going to be? What did we divide by?
4 zeros. 10,000! Can I have some more coffee?
I do not think that is necessary.
Really?
Really.
Yeah.
You do not strike me as someone who needs more coffee.
4 times.
So, to recap, the number of places you move is the same as the number of zeros in your power of 10 value change. And if you move to the left, you're multiplying. If you move to the right,
you divide.
That Starbucks gift card was a mistake.
I have wiggles. So many wiggles.
Oh, coffee breath. Here. This concludes our video lesson. See you next time.
Bye.